As we are getting closer to the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, we are starting getting some of the news that were not expected from S23 Ultra. Before it was the first design renders, and now the promotional picture is out, but let me tell you something important. That promotional content picture was deleted from Twitter. Guess what? The image is still available on Weibo, where we saw the two phones, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus. The camera housing looks exactly like the S22 Ultra, which is a good thing, but what more important is the Galaxy Buds Pro along with the S23 and the S23 Plus. Now this image was a promotional image from South Korean's second largest network provider KT, which means we are going to get a Galaxy Buds Pro 2 if you pre-order the Galaxy S23 or S23 Plus. But things didn't stop here. We didn't see the Galaxy S23 Ultra here, which means S23 Ultra could come with the more exciting pre-order deals, hopefully a Samsung credit just like they did with the S22 Ultra. Okay, now that you came this far, consider subscribing. As of the previous renders, now the glass protectors of all three models of Galaxy S23 is out, where we see quite similar design on the all three models, but as per renders, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a flatter display compared to the S22 Ultra. So in my opinion, this protector is for S22 Ultra, not for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And if this protector is for Galaxy S23 Ultra, then all of the previous renders regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra were all wrong, because we are getting a rounded corners, so clearly this protector is for Galaxy S22 instead of S23 Ultra. The battery is something we will be talking about. The first ever real-time battery is here of a new Galaxy S23 Ultra, as Ice Universe shared this image on Weibo, saying a 5000 mAh battery of a new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Although as per S22 Ultra, 5000 mAh mark was not enough, but having a look at the S23 Ultra and new processor, which will be more power efficient, it is certain we are going to get more battery out of the S23 Ultra. And as per 3C certification, Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a 25W fast charger, but Ice Universe says it will come with a 45W fast charger. Let's see which one is true, but it is certain we are going to get a same charging speed as S22 Ultra. A lot to say about Galaxy S23 Ultra new processor, but a single word for Snapdragon Gen 2 is impressive. Beating the A16 Bionic chipset and GPU performance are a big achievement for Android smartphones. Qualcomm is going out with the Snapdragon Gen 2 on November 15, so finally a wait is getting over. Samsung might release S23 Ultra way earlier than expected. As promotional images are out, we might see Galaxy S23 Ultra on January 5th, and pre-orders may start in December, which is insane. But if you don't know about the big update of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you know nothing. Look at the first real 200 megapixel camera sample here in this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.